So let's stick with the parallel linkage and look at a completed model, which could be a moving crab. And the parts of the crab that could move, as we can see, the eyes on stalks there, and you can see how that could be the parallel linkage, both eyes moving left and right together. And then perhaps we could bring the claws into it as well. So let's get a lever board in. Remind ourselves about the parallel linkage. There it is, look. So it's easy to see how the two eyes could be made to move by pulling left and right on this linkage. So the linkage joins together the two independent levers and makes them work together. And what we need to do is bring in a claw. So the claw maybe could be part of this lever, but then an identical one might extend out here. So the claw, linkage and claw could all be one complete piece of card. So a fixed piece of card with the appropriate holes to join together to the two upright levers, which are the which operate the eyes. So we end up with that sort of motion. Well, with that in mind, I've gone ahead and created a body, and then the body, we'll bring it in. There we are. So there's our body there. And you can imagine what's going on behind it. This green card for the claws is a linkage that goes all the way across and then just is duplicated at the other side. And the two eyes, each eye is on part of the parallel levers that move together. So let's hold it in position like that. Operate a claw just by pulling left or right. And now the two eyes move. So that's quite a cute little model showing how our parallel linkage could operate the two eyes. And I suppose the way the eyes move could be considered to be reasonably realistic as well. So let's flip it over and have a look. And there it is. So the original levers, look, would have been great long rectangles of card, and I've simply cut them to shape to create a better sort of eye shape to put a circular eye on the other side. There are the two fixed pivots, so the pivots themselves stay in that position because the red card, the fasteners go through the red card into the white card, and the white card is the moving part and the red card is the fixed part. And as you can see, moving it left and right like that. This is a moving pivot, this is a moving pivot, and then the crab claws and this piece of card, this continuous piece, form the linkage between the two levers. So this part moving left and right is the linkage between the two levers. So levers and linkages work together. Fantastic. Created the body, added on the legs on the inside, flip it over. I suppose the only thing that might be a bit distracting about it is the two paper fastener heads look a bit like eyes as well. So I wonder if there's a way to put some red card over the top of that and over the top of that to sort of hide the fact that those pivots are there. Apart from that though, a successful little model, and I wonder what other models could be made with that parallel linkage. There must be all sorts of possibilities.